I will open the terminal and I will run my application through Streamlit. It has opened the application in my browser. So here actually I can upload the PDF file. I will go ahead and upload the PDF file from my system. PDF processing completed. Now I can ask the question to my RAG and it should answer from the document provided. I will ask the question from my document and it has given the answer retrieved from the document. So it has answered the question to the second answer to the second question also from the document, and it is keeping the chat history also. I will ask one more question. On my document, if I go to page number 5, so there is an image. Let ask the question to the rack regarding the image. So it has retrieved the image also from the document. I can download also this image to my local system in the JPG format. Let ask the question about the table. So it has generated the table also from the document when it was asked. And it is keeping the history of the chat also. So we have tested our RAG. It is working perfectly for the text, image and the table also. And it is retrieving the answers from the document perfectly for the text, image and tables.